today we are going to do an experiment. Today we are going to check why does lime float in salty water. We need 2 glasses of water, 2 limes, and don't forget about salt. Now we have 2 glasses of normal water. Put 1 lime in 1 glass. See? Cool, no? Did it float or sink? Now see what happened. It sinks. But why? Do you know the reason? Because the density of lemon is greater than the density of water. Now let's add the salt to another glass. Mix well. Now I'm going to put this lime into this salty water. See? It first went down and came up. Did you see that? Yeah! That was cool, right? Wow! It floats. Do you know how? When salt is added to water, water gets heavy. As compared to a lime, the salty water is heavier. Lime is lighter than salty water, so it stays on the surface instead of sinking.